Okay, and that's with the rain shower on the top, just
Hi
to show.
there, today we're unboxing a Hansgrohe Crometta S 240 shower pipe. So details in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So I was in two minds on whether or not to do this particular video, but I thought it'd be worth doing only because I was looking for unboxing videos for this particular shower and I couldn't find anything. So I thought it'd be worth doing only to show other people in case they were thinking of buying. So I was unsure what the quality of the fixtures were like. So I didn't really want to go for anything too plasticky. So let's have a look at the actual packaging that it arrives in. So it comes nicely packaged in a large package, and just to show just pictures of the actual fixture itself, we've got some dimensions here, but if you have a look at the links in the description, it will give you more details. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. So initially, a shower head. So this is the handheld one, and very light feel to it. You've got adjustments there, so it just looks like one adjustment on there, plasticky there, and a bit of a, I guess a plasticky, it doesn't really feel metal in any way, and a cover for connecting it. Seems okay, nothing too amazing on there. Then the actual hose itself, if I open that up, so all chrome look on there and all rubber. Fixtures look nice on there, good quality connectors on there, and same on both sides, and you've got the rubbers to avoid any sort of leakage, so we'll leave that in place. Okay, let's put these to the side. Next we've got the attachment that goes at the top for the actual rain shower part of it. Very solid feel to this one, and just to come in close, you've got brass fitting there, two rubber rings in there, O-rings on there. You've got like an Allen key connector on there, and coming around connector on there. So very nice solid feel to this. Okay, next we've got the actual shower rail. So the fixture here, all plasticky, chrome finish on there. Movement wise, moves quite easily, which is good. The actual pole itself, as you can hear, is metal but quite light, just to note. But build quality seems quite good on there. Okay, next the actual mixer. So this thermostatic mixer here. We take that out, a very weighty feel to this, and good quality feel to it. So everything is metal on there and really good feel. So very good quality feel on this one. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next is the actual rain shower head. Let me show that. Okay. Strange, it looks like sort of plasticky cardy sort of on the top, and on the bottom all chrome. So not too weighty, feels a little bit, I'm not sure actually, looks like it's sort of chrome plated on there, and obviously all rubber where the water comes out. So yeah, not too bad, just odd. I was expecting it all to be chrome on the top of this. Then you've got the actual instructions to this and some more fixtures. So if we come in there, okay, so these are the, when you actually put the thermostat in, the covers for the pipes. It's a thin metal on those. Okay, got another piece here, brass and a ring on there. I've not gone through the instructions obviously, so I don't know what everything is. Some other fixtures, this feels plastic. So this must be, I guess, maybe for the pole for the actual shower. Brass ring's just fallen. Okay, connector on there, good solid fill on there, and another one. And that's it, that's all you get. General quality seems good. Just to note, the shower head, which I showed here, I think that should have been a bit more heavy duty really. So it feels very, very light and plasticky, so reasonable. But the other components seem okay. Really impressed with this one, really heavy, and build quality feels really good on this. The shower's installed. As you saw in the video, water's turned on now, and I have to admit, really nice, really pleased with it. Only negative point I have to admit is the handheld shower here and the bracket holding it, plasticky feel to it, which I really didn't like, but other than that, really nice. And there you go. Okay, and that's with the rain shower on the top, just to show. I've got a combi boiler and pressure isn't too bad, it's reasonable. I have to say, nothing amazing, but still pretty good. Okay, and here's the handheld shower in action. Pressure seems good on there. Obviously there's an adjuster on there, so if I can somehow change it, and there you go, the two modes on there. So more of a direct one there, and a bit more spaced out there. So there you go, hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this particular shower. Details in the description below. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.